Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'll be showing you how to make some deliciously sweet and savory vegan empanadas with ripe plantains, aka pastelitos de plátano maduro. For all the details and what goes into the filling and how I make the rest of the empanada, please see my previous video. I'll link it above and I'll also have the information in the description box. You have to start with very ripe plantains. So as you can see, the peel here is going from yellow to dark brown or black. This means that the plantain is pretty ripe. I peel it, then I cut it in half, and then I cut it into thin slices. The reason I do thin slices is because I feel like this ensures even cooking when it's frying in the oil, and also it kind of helps to develop the sweetness of the plátano even more. You'll probably need 1 to 2 slices of plátano for each empanada so that you have a good amount of sweetness inside. It's time to start frying the maduro in the oil. You want to use a neutral tasting oil. In this case, I think I used avocado oil. The flavor is not very strong, so that's what I tend to use for frying. Okay, so you're going to use low to medium heat. That ensures a slow cooking process for the plátano, and also it'll avoid burning while helping to develop the sweetness even more in the plátano. It's key to not rush this process. If you use very high heat, it will burn the plátano before it's even done frying and really developing its true sweetness. So please make sure that you use low to medium heat. And if you see it's burning too fast or it's smoking up, just lower the heat. Once you see each piece is golden brown, you can go ahead and flip it around. They are now perfectly cooked, sweet and soft, and ready to join the rest of the ingredients. Once you take them out, you can put them on a paper towel, but I decided to put them straight on a plate so that I wouldn't have to struggle peeling off the paper towel later on, since these pieces are very, very thin. Like I said before, you can see how I prepped the other ingredients in my previous video. I'll link it above and also in the description box. I follow the same process as in the other video, except that I add 1 to 2 pieces of maduro to each empanada. Then I fold it onto itself and use a fork to press down the edges. And I do this on both sides. The empanadas are now ready to be fried, so into the oil they go. And that's it, they're ready. And here's what the inside looks like once you cut through the empanada. This combination is absolutely ethereal. It is perfect. It is amazing. It's one of my favorite things. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.